Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be talking about the Color Bar All Day Eyeshadow, All Day Waterproof Eyeshadow Stick. So I'll be swatching a few of the shades. Few no, I think I have all but one shades. They have 10 shades and I have 9 of those. So these are the 9 eyeshadow crayons that I own out of the 10 that they have. There's a reason why I didn't buy the 10th shade, and I'll explain while I swatch. So let's get started with the swatches, guys. The first shade is a very pretty pink color, and it's called as Fairy, and I love using it in the inner corners of my eyes. The second is a shade name Blush. It's again a pinky toned color, and I love using this color all over my eyelids. The third shade is called as Denim. It's a blue shade, but it has grey undertones and a very light shimmer. The fourth shade is a deep turquoise color, and it's called as Moss. The next shade is called as Ornament. It is a very light brown shade with a lot of glitter particles to it. I think it's perfect for all Indian skin tones. The shade after that is called as Slate, and it is a very muted silver or grey, you can call it, and it has a lot of glitter compared to the other shades. The next one is called as Dream. This is one of my favorites. Denim and Dream are my favorites. The next shade is called as Satin. It's a very lovely green color with a little bit of shimmer to it. They have another green color as well, which is called as Olive, but it's very glittery for my taste. The last shade that I have is called as Mulberry. It's a very nice purple toned taupey color, and I think it will look perfect if combined with any of the other lighter shades. So, like I said earlier, I own 9 of the 10 eyeshadows, and I have swatched all of these for you already. So that you can decide which color you want to pick for yourself. I personally love Denim because that is the first color that I bought. Yeah, it's this very grayish blue color. It's the first color that I bought, and I really loved it, and I went back and bought the rest of the colors. This and Dream, these two are the ones that I've used maximum out of all of these 9. So that is my favorite. Now in general about this product, what I have noticed is there are certain colors that actually fulfill whatever the name of the product has claimed. Like, it does stay for 8 hours, but I have very oily lids. That's why I prefer to set. I use this product and then I set it with a similar powder eyeshadow, and that is what actually makes the eyeshadow last. And the reason why I love this product is I bought my first crayon last year during Diwali. That's like more than 6 months now. So I used this and set this with an eyeshadow from Color Bar itself, and we sat down for the Diwali puja, Lakshmi puja, and it actually lasted the entire puja, and my eye makeup especially, stayed put even after the Havan. So all of you guys who have been anywhere near a Havan, you know how hot it is and how much you sweat during that. So if this lasted that, then I think it is pretty good, and that is why I went back and bought the other colors. Now the only pet peeves that I have is some of the colors like Slate and Ornament, the ones which have bigger glitter particles. Those are the ones that there is a little bit of shimmer transferring here and there. The solution for that, for this also, would be to set it with a powder eyeshadow. That way you can actually, it's like setting your concealer, any cream product. So that is all that you need to do for these, and I think these work. I really love them, especially because they are really easy to work with, creamy, and they haven't dried on me. Most of my kajal pencils and other eyeliner pencils end up drying on me. So on my eyelids I have the color Dream. That's the black color in the outer corner, and in the center of my lid, that is in the inner part, I have the color Blush. That's the color number 2. Yeah, this one, these two. And with that I created this very simple eye makeup. No crease color, no transition color of any sort, and I think it still looks pretty decent. So again, if you're in a hurry and you don't have the time to apply layers and layers of eyeshadow, of transition color and this and that, even though if you, I like it, I love applying transition colors, but then when I'm strapped for time, this is what I do. I just pick up two of these colors and use them on my eyelids and set them with some very similar shade powder eyeshadow and run. So price wise, I feel it's not that cheap because it retails at 850, and I think you might get an Inglot crayon also for that same similar price range. So for my final verdict on this is I really love these, and you will be seeing much more of these crayons in my videos to come, and all the eye looks that I've created. If you do want me to try something with any specific color, do leave a comment in the comment section and let me know so that I can do that for you. And do follow me on all my social media. It's Pammy's Corner on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you for watching.